Bunny say hop hop.
Can I have a little nibble?
You can have a little nibble. Hello! Good morning! Lucy and I are being bunny rabbits today.
No, you can't tell them it's us.
Oh, it's not us. It's not Lucy and Steph. It is,
Easter bunny.
it's the Easter bunny. We're pretending we're bunnies.
No, we can't.
Okay, we're definitely not pretending. We are real life bunnies that can talk.
And
And it is, yes, it's going to be Easter soon. Who knows that?
we can just pretend it's Easter.
Yeah, we can pretend it's Easter today. But it's Easter on Sunday, so it's Friday night, Saturday night, 2 sleeps. Hello, Nanny and Alison and Daisy.
I'm going to get a null off, like... When will I get it all off again?
Oh, not for ages. Well, we thought today that we would start a song about bunnies because Lucy and I are being bunnies. Can I borrow this? Lucy's eating a carrot. Can you swallow your carrot? And then we'll go and do a dance. It's called the Sleeping Bunnies. Off you go, little bunny. And if you know this one, you can join in too. And you got to get down really low. Move back a little bit, Lucy. Over near your little, that's it. You ready? See the little bunnies sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall we wake them with a merry tune? They're so still, are they ill? Wake up, bunnies! Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop and stop! Uh-oh, the bunny's ears fell off. Will we do it one more time?
Yeah.
All right, get down, little bunnies. See the little bunnies sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall we wake them with a merry tune? They're so still, are they ill? Wake up, bunnies! Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop and stop! Very good. All right, come back over here, little bunny.
I had to bump my ears. I can't.
Your ears fell off. Good to hear me singing after your ears fell off.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want your carrot or do you want me to put it away?
Guess what?
What?
I'm still not Lucy.
Oh, she's still not Lucy.
And I have my bunny ears off. I'm not Lucy.
Okay. We are reading a book today called Possum Magic. And it is such a beautiful story by Mem Fox.
I'm Fox.
Yeah, that's her name, the lady that wrote the book. Once upon a time, but not very long ago, deep in the Australian bush lived 2 possums. Their names were Hush and Grandma Poss. Grandma Poss made bush magic. She made wombats blue and kookaburras pink. She made dingoes smile and emus shrink. But the best magic of all was the magic that made Hush invisible. Wow, can you see that? What adventures Hush had! Because she couldn't be seen, she could be squashed by koalas. Oh dear.
She could easily get out.
But because she couldn't be seen, she could slide down kangaroos' tails. Because she couldn't be seen, she was safe from snakes, which is why Grandma Poss had made her invisible in the first place.
But if it snaps her, she will actually be invisible.
But one day, quite unexpectedly, Hush said, Grandma, I want to know what I look like. Please could you make me visible again? Of course I can, said Grandma Poss, and she began to look through her magic books. She looked in this book and she looked into that book. There was magic for thin and magic for fat and magic for tall and magic for small, but the magic she was looking for wasn't there at all.
Why?
She doesn't know. She doesn't know how to make Hush visible again. Grandma Poss looked miserable. Don't worry, Grandma, said Hush. I don't mind. But in her hearts of hearts, she did. Look, Hush is a little bit sad, and so is Grandma Poss. All night long, Grandma Poss thought and thought. The next morning, just before breakfast, she shouted, "It's something to do with food. People food, not possum food, but I can't remember what."
They need people food. No.
We'll just have to try and find it. So later that day, they left the bush where they'd always been to find what it was to make Hush be seen. They're riding a bicycle. I've never seen a possum ride a bicycle before. They ate Anzac biscuits in Adelaide, Mornay and Minties in Melbourne, steak and salad in Sydney, and pumpkin scones in Brisbane. Hush remained invisible. Don't lose heart, said Grandma Poss. Let's see what we can find in Darwin. These are all cities of Australia. It was there in the far north of Australia where they found a Vegemite sandwich. Hi, Abby and Byron and Henry.
It's changing back.
Grandma Poss crossed her claws and crossed her feet. Hush breathed deeply and began to eat. "A tail, a tail!" shouted both possums at once, for there it was, a brand new visible tail. So she's eating the Vegemite sandwich and it's made her visible on her tail. Later on the beach in Perth, they ate a piece of pavlova. Hush's legs appeared and so did her body. Here she is up here. "You look wonderful, you precious possum," said Grandma Poss. "Next stop, Tasmania." So over the sea they went.
Why did they go to Tasmania?
Hello, Emerald. They went to Tasmania and look how they got there. On an umbrella boat. In Hobart, late one night in the kitchens of the casino, they saw a lamington on a plate. Hush closed her eyes and nibbled. Grandma Poss held her breath and waited. It worked, she cried. And she was right. Hush could be seen from head to tail. Grandma Poss hugged Hush and they both danced. Here we go round the lamington plate till early in the morning. It's a funny song. Look how happy they are. From that time onwards, Hush was visible. But once a year on her birthday, she and Grandma Poss ate a Vegemite sandwich, a piece of pavlova.
Is it Hush's birthday?
Yep. And half a lamington just to make sure Hush stayed visible forever. And she did. Wow. How special. They get to eat special treats on Hush's birthday. Did you like that story?
I have plenty of lollies.
Did you?
Even at Allison's birthday party.
At Allison's
But no one's been watching.
Oh, okay. Well, I thought I would show you what craft we made today. You ready? Okay. All right. We have...
Not ever take your ears.
Lucy just said I have to wear my ears forever and ever and ever and never take them off. Oh, goodness. I have to glue them to my head. Do you want to go over and show them? Can I hold your carrot? Do you want to go over and show them what we made today? we have made a bunny target. And what we can do, take your head out, or it can also be a funny photo thing, I suppose.
Mummy, look.
Can you let it?
I'm in his tummy.
You are. Good one. Okay, so to make this, come over here for a second. To make our bunny, we used an old cereal box, and then we drew a picture of a bunny on there, and we cut out some holes. And the reason we cut out some holes is because, hang on, can you go and throw this for me? We made little paper aeroplane carrots, and you have to try and fly the paper aeroplane carrots right through the bunny. Do you think you can have a go? Lucy's gonna have a go. She's got her paper aeroplane, and oh, good shot! Yay! It went through. And the further back you stand, the harder it will be. Okay, so I'm going to show you how we made our carrot paper aeroplanes.
Yeah, it fits in the mouth.
It fits in the mouth. Oh, good. We thought we might have to make 2 different sized aeroplanes.
Mommy.
So, what you need...
This,
I'm watching. Oh, it was so close.
Mommy,
What you need...
Have one more.
One more, quick. Oh, good try. Come and sit back.
It did last time.
Yeah, come and sit down for a second. So what you need, we used one A4 piece of paper and we cut it into 3 pieces, about that big.
Well, I was going to colour in that.
Yeah, can I just have it though? I just need it for a minute, so we'll just swap. You hold this. And what I did, I coloured one side in orange. So
and
that
I'm
was...
colouring.
Just stop, because that's not where you colour the green bit. I'll show you in a sec. So to make a paper aeroplane, we fold it in half. Yeah. Hello, Auntie Steph. We fold it in half, so we get a nice fold down there. What are you doing, painting my face? And then we fold in the corners.
It's not working.
Just like this.
I need to paint your chin.
And then we do the same on the other side. And so then we end up with a triangle. Just like that. We fold the triangle in half, so we know where the middle is. And then, to make the green tops of our aeroplane, we colour in the point. So all up here, can you sit down for a second? And on the other side as well. So we're going to colour all of that in green. Sit down for a second. Oops. Just like that. And we're colouring in the other side too. See? Just like that. So now we have a green top on both the sides.
This could be, I can make a paper triangle.
Okay, yeah, that is a paper triangle. Now we're going to make the, hang on just a second, we're not finished. We need to fold down his wings. So,
I can do the flipping.
Okay, that's it, good job. Fold down the sides, press it nice and tight. That's it.
Now
and open up his wings so we can have them out. Just like that, see?
And now
and then you can try and shoot it. Oh, okay, sorry.
You can't look at my video.
Okay, your turn.
So this paper aeroplane, and then you have a paper aeroplane, and you might want to make one too.
Yeah, and you might want to try it out in your bunny target that we made. Oh, it was so close. Good try. Last. Oh, yeah, very good. Good victory dance. So you might want to make one of those today. That might be something fun for you to do. It's raining at our house today, so we can't go outside, but this is going to be a perfect game for us today.
Mom,
well, I
think something. I'll just go outside.
Okay. I think that we're going to have a little break for a couple of days from our videos. But if you have any ideas on maybe what you might want us to read next week or the week after when we come back, let us know and we will try our best. Lucy Lou, come back. I don't know where she's gone. Oh, here she comes. Come on, little bunny.
I'm coming.
Okay, well, that's all from us today.
It's not raining anymore.
It stopped raining. Thanks for checking. Well, have a lovely day and we'll see you soon. Bye.